Hey, what's up, guys? So, I was recently on the wayback machine trying to get Gracenote chime sound samples, and I actually found a snapshot that works with the sound samples. So, for all you people that remember Gracenote and were sad when they ceased to exist like I was, we can go through some of the old Gracenotes and listen to them. The only problem is the snapshot where the sound samples work is old as shit. It's from like 2004, so not all of the Grace Note chimes are on there, unfortunately, but most of like the main ones are on there. So right now I'm not under classic wind chimes. I'm under steeple wind chimes. Um, these are two that I remember. This is the one that Vinyl Nerd has. They, I don't think they had a name for it back then. Sunrise. Oh, it does have a name. Sunrise Serenade. So they did keep that name. And since this is such an old snapshot, they don't show when it came in black as well. And they don't have the Majestic Morning, which was kind of like this, but it was way bigger. It was like 100 inches or something. But yes, let's listen at the regular steeple, the Sunrise Serenade, 57 inch, and I'll let you know what I think. That sounds pretty cool. I like that. I really wish I could get that one. And then they had a smaller version, the Petite Steeple. I remember this one too. Then this one got discontinued before Grace Note went under, I think. That sounds really cool too. I think I would get the bigger one though. So let's look at classic wind chimes. If it'll load. Okay, we got the super. We'll start with the smallest. They don't have the mini ones. There was one size smaller than this that had like a circular wind catcher. I don't remember what they were called, but let's look at petite. I really wish I could find like a newer snapshot when they had like all the other size because they don't have the 72-inch Treasure of Heaven on here, and then a few others I forget. Okay, these are 26 inches. Um, okay, they came in Earth Song, Treasure of Heaven, and Himalayan Echo. Let's see if this sound file will work. If it will load. Oh, it's so slow. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I remember that one. That one's not bad. Let's see if we can listen to Earth Song. Oh, it's so slow. That one I like that one slightly better. I always remember listening to that one. I don't remember what the Himalayan Echo sounds like. I like Himalayan Echo in the larger sizes. I don't really like the small Himalayan Echo. Like I like it when it's in this large size right there. It's really good. Let's see what small is. I think this is like 36, 40 inches. Okay. And they changed the inches around. Like these used to be 40 inch, and then they went to like when they got discontinued, they were 36 inches. And then the next size up was a 42-inch, but it might be different. So this is the 36-inch to me. I don't know why it used to be the 40-inch, but Earth Song, let's see. That's a very classic sounding one to me. I always remember listening to this one. That's so good sounding. I love that. I never liked these island ones, I don't think. Stardust, I don't remember what that sounds like. Actually, that doesn't sound bad. I don't know which one I'm thinking of that I didn't like. Let's see what Stardust sounds like, because I have no idea. It's okay. I definitely think Earth Song is the best in that size, though. Medium. These were the 42 inches, I'm pretty sure. I wonder what they denote them as here, though. 45. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, these come. Summer Daydream is always a good one. I want to listen to this one first. I've always liked Summer Daydream. That reminds me of Himalayan Echo a lot. Like, I don't know what the difference is. What does the Himalayan Echo sound like? Let's see. See, that sounds more like that. I don't know if these are the right sound files. I don't know. I don't feel like listening to Stardust. Let's just listen to Earth Song. See what it sounds like. Come on. That's really good. I like that. Large. This is a good size right here. So slow. Oh my God. Yeah, these used to be the fifth. This was always known as the 54 inch. I don't know why the inches are different. What do we got? Earth Song, Treasure of Heaven. Oh, they don't have the Himalayan Echo. That was my favorite. Um, 54 inch. The hell? That sounds so good. I love that. Treasure of Heaven. That's like hard to beat, I think. Ooh, they don't have the sound for that. Maybe they have the island one. Let's see. That one's alright. The Earth Song is definitely better. They got the extra large. This was my favorite size, I'm pretty sure. Oh, but they don't have the Summer Daydream on here. Shit. The Earth Song 62 inch is still really good. Summer Daydream was slightly better though, I think. If we can click on it, let's see. That's so good. That reminds me a lot. It sounds very similar to the 54-inch Earth Song, but this one's like slightly a better size, I think, so I really like that. A notable exclusion on here. After that, this should be the 72 inch. The fuck. If this is extra large, what was that? It was like the double extra large. I don't know. Treasure of Heaven 72 inch, whatever it was, or the super. I don't know. Because this is the 4 tube, the super 4 tube, and that didn't last long. But the 72-inch Treasure of Heaven, that was always kind of a harsher sounding one, and I didn't really like it, even though it was a good size. But yeah, this one wasn't around for long, the 4 tube. Yeah, that one doesn't sound good at all, really. And then yeah, after Deluxe Himalayan Echo, there would be the Majestic Morning, which is like the really long one. Deluxe Himalayan Echo's not bad though. It's very deep though and big. It might be too deep for some people, but I don't mind it. I remember somebody I near my friend's house had one of these, and I was like always like, damn, like that's a big chime. And I was always like, holy crap, every time I drove by it. So let's listen to the 84-inch Deluxe Himalayan Echo. I really like that, even though that is very deep. I don't think it's bad. Um, so yeah, that's all we got for Gracenote as of now. If I do find a newer snapshot with sound that works, I'll let you guys know, but thanks for watching, guys.